Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Vidhi Sharma. This is my first video uploading and it's gonna be about makeup and I'm also gonna be telling you more about myself. So let's get started. I'll be having two bags of makeup, but that's fine. So the makeup routine that I'm going to be doing, I usually wear this to my college, or you can also wear this if you're working, or if you want to go somewhere to like a cafe, because it's like a subtle makeup, not a really heavy glam makeup. So I really like prepping my skin before I jump into my makeup. So I've already prepped my skin. I've applied a moisturizer and a salicylic acid because I have extremely oily skin. So salicylic acid helps with the controlling of the oil. So yeah, let's get to it. First thing first, this is what I'm using. It's a water tint from Etude House. I use this for my college. I think this is the best tint ever. I use this on my cheeks and I get that natural flush look, which I really adore. So yeah, I smudge it with my hand. I like it that way. So I'm only gonna just put like 3 dots. That's it. I'm gonna just smudge it up. I don't know if it's visible much, but it's really looking tinted, but it's like not extremely. It's just looking in a natural way, which I really like. So other than that, I want to give like a short introduction of myself since I have not made like an introduction video. So yeah, um, I'm 19 years old and I started content creation not like pretty early. I just started like a month or two ago. Um, I'm on Instagram. This is my Instagram page, and I post lifestyle, beauty, and fashion content. Right now, I am a micro content creator. I don't have much of followers on my Instagram, but I'm hoping that would grow soon. So yeah. So the second thing that I apply is a concealer, which is from Maybelline. It's a razor multi-use concealer. I absolutely love this. I think it has the best coverage. The product quality and the consistency of it is so gorgeous. Wait, let me show you. Okay, so the shade that I'm using is okay. Why can't I find the shade? I can't find the shade. It's fine, I guess. So I'm going to be applying right here and right here. So yeah, I again smudge it with my fingers first. I like smudging it with my fingers first. I think it gives off like a natural finish to it. Yeah. So the lighting is absolutely not giving justice to it, but it does look good. I'm going to be applying the tint a little bit more because I feel it's pretty less. Same way. Well, yeah, continuing to where I was. So I did not start content creation as with like a motive, that, oh, I want to become an influencer. Obviously, I do want to become an influencer, but it is just that I just want to show that I have such sort of time. It's not the time that I'm show I want to show that, we don't have really so, I didn't used to do that, it used to stick on my face, or, like, literally in a dance space, saying what the light, saying what the, whatever I just need, it could be anything, like, literally, whether it could be education, it could be anything, I just used to love talking and speaking, in dance space, so I just thought, right now, I think the best time, I put this during my lipstick time because the hair literally bothers me so much. So yeah, the lipstick that I'm going to apply, I usually don't apply lip liner during my college because I think it just looks a little bit extra. I mean, if you like it, obviously you can use it. It's your choice. The lipstick that I'm going to be using, I mix two of my lipsticks and a gloss. So the lipstick that I'm using is from Maybelline. This is the 657 Nude Nuance. I love this shade. I love this. I think it's not too dark. I think it's not too light. It comes in between, which is like amazing. Now once that I've applied, what I do next is use use the other Maybelline product. I have so many Maybelline products. I just realized, but that's fine. I'm using the Superstay Maybelline lipstick. It's in the shade 20 Koi. I think it's jolly pretty. It's camera is moving. So I take like a very little bit of the product and I apply it in between of my lips. Just right there. Bring a little bit of more. And before that, I like to curl my lashes. I naturally have good lashes, like touch wood. Okay, wait, touch wood. So yeah, I just curl it a little bit. This is like such a challenge because I have to always make sure I don't pinch my eye with it, and I did. But that's fine, I guess. Mars has like amazing mascara. This is one of my favorites. I think there was this one more mascara. It was from Mars as well, but it was like blue and silver, and that is like amazing. So I use that when I have to go out because that gives more for volume. Because it has two wands. It has a single wand, but it gives off like two qualities, which is like for volume and the other is for lifted look. My skin is like I've literally okay. Applying mascara is like so irritating with like open hair, and I can't even like tie my hair because it's a little bit wet. That's all I do. I think this will be the shortest video ever because this is all I do to my face. Literally. And if there would be times if I'm wearing something extremely cute, what I like to do is I like to apply a little mascara on my high cheek points. So I use the Sugar palette. It is so cute. It's such a lifesaver. It has three things. I've already done with my blush. I think this blush is so pretty. It gives you that matte finish, and I love matte blushes if I'm going for like a natural look. I don't know why, but yeah. So that's that. It has a highlighter as well and a bronzer. The bronzer I don't use it much, but I like to apply it over here as well. Sometimes if I feel like I want a nudie look. So yeah. I have this highlighter. It's not a highlighter brush. It's literally like a foundation brush. I got this from Gub, but it's so stiff. I know foundation brush is supposed to be stiff, but every time I apply foundation with it, I don't now, but when I used to, it it used to take most of the product in the brush, and I used to get like this much, which was so annoying. So I use like a different brush for it. So I think this suits best for highlighter as I tried it like randomly and it did. So yeah, this is the brush that I'm going to be using for my highlighter. so pretty, and I cannot even. And that's all I do. That's all I do for my college. Sometimes I go without applying my makeup to college, but when I feel like applying, I do apply. Okay. So yeah, that was my makeup routine. I think it's like a pretty subtle makeup look, which y'all can wear to work, to college. For college, I think it's best because it's not too much, it's not too less. It's like in a proportionate way. Thank you for watching. I think it was the first time speaking in the camera and then uploading it because since this is my first video, I literally have like 5 subscribers for now. But I hope this video reaches out to a lot of people, for the people who like makeup, who don't know what to wear their college, who don't have like a proper makeup routine, so they could find one. Um, yeah, I'm a little scared because this is my first video. I've been saying this is my first video ever since this video has started. But like, yeah, I'm a little scared, but yeah, that's what happens if you choose content creation. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you liked my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe again, and follow me on Instagram. I think I will start posting more on YouTube. I just want to see if I get comfortable with it once I upload this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Follow for more, and bye.